think running around and being stressed out sometimes gives me hiccups. I don't know why. I don't know why that would be the case, but it is. And then if I'm stressed, they tend to last longer. I wonder if I could say the Gettysburg Address. Well, I have hiccups. 7 years ago. Our forefathers, blah, 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 blah. Do you hiccup people also like mouths too? You like to see the inside of my mouth? I had one of my fans say that when he hears my hiccups, it makes him want to hug me for whatever reason. I guess he feels sorry for me because hiccups are so annoying. I guess that's what he meant. I don't know. Okay, these better stop. These better stop soon because I have so much to do. I have to give myself a mani-pedi. And I have to finish packing. And I'm going to board my cat. So I have to get ready for that. I hope she's going to be okay. I don't like the idea of leaving her in a strange place, but she's too scared. She's too scared of anyone that's not me. So I can't really have I couldn't really have a pet sitter. And the only person she can kind of tolerate is this guy I'm seeing. I guess I could have had him come over, but I don't know. I worry that while I'm gone, she's going to get into stuff. If there's not somebody here all the time, she could get injured or something. I'm not a big believer in leaving your cat, alone in your house for long periods of time. I don't know why people do that. They think that cats can just take care of themselves. That's not true. I mean, anything could happen. Your cat could get sick. Your cat could have an accident. Could get injured and then nobody would know. Plus, cats, they get upset when they're left alone. They get bored. They need attention. So yeah, that's how I feel about that. I don't know how long this is going to go on. I don't have much space on my phone. I'm going to run out of space. I'm going to run out of space before I run out of hiccups.